Welcome back to Savvypreneurship. In this segment, I'm diving into the world of guerrilla marketing, a way to drive publicity and, as a result, brand awareness by promoting using unconventional methods designed to evoke surprise, wonder, or shock. Best of all, it's low cost and effective when compared to traditional marketing. Let's explore its advantages and implementation, especially for startups and small to medium sized businesses. Guerrilla marketing emerged as a creative and unconventional approach to promoting products and services. Unlike traditional marketing, it thrives on surprise, originality, and personal interactions. In 1984, J. Conrad Levinson introduced the concept in his book titled Guerrilla Marketing. The term guerrilla draws parallels to unconventional warfare tactics, emphasizing surprise and resourcefulness. Guerrilla marketing is all about thinking outside the box and finding creative, unconventional ways to promote your business without going overboard with promotional expenses. It's about leveraging creativity, innovation, and imagination to make a big impact with limited resources. So, what are the advantages of guerrilla marketing? And how can startups and small to medium sized businesses implement it effectively? Advantages of guerrilla marketing. Advantage one, cost effectiveness. Guerrilla marketing is incredibly cost effective compared to traditional advertising channels. It allows startups and small businesses to achieve maximum exposure and impact with minimal financial investment. It costs a fraction of the amount required for traditional marketing strategies, such as television and radio advertising. The cost efficiency of guerrilla tactics allows small businesses with small marketing budgets to achieve larger impacts than they could going head to head via traditional media. Although the total reach of these tactics may not compare to high budget campaigns, their proven effectiveness can help a small business to maximize the productivity of every dollar spent on marketing. Advantage two, creativity and innovation. Guerrilla marketing encourages creativity and innovation, enabling businesses to stand out from the competition and capture the attention of their target audience in unique and memorable ways. And advantage three, virality and buzz. Guerrilla marketing has the potential to generate virality and buzz as consumers are more likely to share and talk about unconventional and attention grabbing marketing campaigns on social media and other platforms. Execution and implementation of guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing appears in public spaces like streets, parks, concerts, and shopping centers. Timing and location are crucial to avoid legal issues, and it can be indoor, outdoor, or experiential, encouraging interaction with the brand. Now that we've covered the advantages, let's explore how startups and small to medium sized businesses can implement guerrilla marketing strategies effectively. Here are some tips and examples to inspire your next guerrilla campaign. Examples of guerrilla marketing campaigns: stunt marketing. Create attention grabbing stunts or events that generate buzz and media coverage. Although far fetched, Red Bull's stratospace jump captured a global attention and reinforced the brand's image as adventurous and daring. Ambient marketing. Use unconventional locations or objects to promote your brand or message. For instance, IKEA transformed bus stops into miniature living rooms, showcasing their furniture in unexpected places. And guerrilla projection. Use projections on buildings or landmarks to create visually stunning and interactive experiences. For instance, projecting a giant sneaker onto a city wall to promote a shoe brand. Guerrilla marketing offers startups and small businesses a powerful toolkit for making a big impact on a shoestring budget. By leveraging creativity, innovation, and unconventional tactics, you can capture the attention of your target audience and build brand awareness in memorable ways. So don't be afraid to think outside the box and unleash your inner guerrilla marketer. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more savvy tips and strategies for startup success. Until next time, stay savvy.